Hello again, peeps. Got myself another sticker. Mate of mine called Richard. I've met through the Small Workshop YouTubers group. YouTube Makers, is it? Yeah, Small Workshop YouTube Makers group on Facebook. His channel name is The Beard X16. Sent me a nice little letter and a sticker swap. So I'm just going to pop him on the Lions Den gallery. Right up and there. In some illustrious company. Currently, of the last video I saw of his, he'd made some handmade knives for making wooden spoons with. He's done some another project of his that really interested me. He's done some small rings out of denim and things like that. So yeah, give him a look, see what you think. If you like what you see, subscribe and hit the bell. A few little workshop updates this week. Main one being last week I blew my new lathe up. Well, I say new to me. And I'll post some pictures of what it looked like. This week, however, I managed to bag myself yet another bargain lathe and took the best bits of the two, and now I've got a load of spares and a pretty good unit. Same time as I was bagging myself the lathe, I managed to get hold of this little beauty. I hadn't got one and now have. Haven't used it yet, but will. Also in the package, an expanding mandrel, absolutely brand new, never been used, and still hasn't been. I will find out how we use it, and I'll use that too. I've got a sticker from the Queen as well. It don't stick very well. Well, stuck it up there with a clamp for now. Grasshopper. This? You want to know what this is? No, that's for another video. That's for another video. Jigsaw works when it wants to, if it wants to. It was a B&Q cheapie special. There we go, not working at all. Bring it back to life. So if anybody out there works for B&Q and wants to send me another one, you're more than welcome.